I'm fresh out the shower, smelling like a flower. Took 5 minutes to bathe, not an hour. I'll put on a shirt. So forward. I'm back! So I know by now, most of you have seen the video on the internet with a girl on the bus who was talking shit to the old man. If you haven't seen the video, I'm gonna put it in the description. This bitch got uppercutted. As a matter of fact, it was not an uppercut. This bitch got upper chopped. Aroo-Kened! Aroo-Kened! That bitch got knocked the fuck out. Now let me say, I do not support violence against women in any form, but a bitch, I will smack the dog shit out of a bitch. Yep, I'm on ignorant level number 5,000, bitch. I'm way up there. I will not pardon a bitch, especially a bitch who tries to act like a man. I will Aroo-Kened the shit out of a bitch. Aroo-Kened! Because most of you girls go around nowadays thinking that you can just hit a man and get away with it because you're a woman. No, bitch! It nah go down so. It nah go happen so. There are two very important things you need to learn from this video. First of all, not because you're a female, you're gonna just lick a man and expect him to just take it so. No, bitch! Some man not gonna take it so. You understand me? Some man will uppercut the shit out of you. Aroo-Kened! Some man will Mortal Kombat you. So when you go out there thinking that,
oh, I'm a lady, he's not gonna hit me.
Think twice. Not because you're a woman, don't feel like say a man not gonna clobber you when you push him over the edge. Another important thing you need to learn from this video, this bitch did not hear hard ears. She never hear when our parents did us say,
have respect for old people.
Now all the years my mother telling me this, I never knew what she was talking about. I never knew the reason behind it. But I think from viewing this video, I understand now. Have manners to old people, or else them with Aroo-Kened your blood clean. Aroo-Kened! 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 This bitch. From now on, every old people me see on the road, me, I tell them good morning because me no want to get Aroo-Kened. Morning, Master. It's Mary. Morning, mom. Auntie B. Morning. Me, I'll walk up in them house and wake them up out of them bed to tell them good morning. Yeah, man. From watching that video, I learned that I should respect old people. I mean, this bitch got Aroo-Kened. Now, I'm not saying what the man did was right, but if you watch the video, you will see that this girl was talking shit to the old man for a good length, and then she made the mistake of going over there and choking the old man for no reason. For no reason. You got choke the old man. Are you hear what come next in the video? Oh, you going to jail now? Aroo-Kened! Aroo-Kened the shit out of a bitch. Now, if I was the old man, I probably would have tried to find another way to give this bitch what she deserved, you know? Because the way I see it, she was at the front of the bus, right? Now, I'd have just waited for the right opportunity. And when this bitch was standing in there, in the bus, talking all that bullshit, just tap the brake. One tap on the brake, bus up face, fly through windshield. Nobody can say nothing to me because she should have been in a RASS seat. That's why you get Aroo-Kened. And this bitch was strong as fuck. Now if somebody give me that kind of punch thing, that kind of Aroo-Kened upper chop, may I stay the fuck down? I am staying down. Aroo-Kened! Shit. Man down. 1032, bitch. Pin him down. But this bitch got back up. You lick him down, you pick him up, bounce right back. What a hard bitch for dead. Damn. Bitch, if somebody knock you the fuck out, stay down. Do not play hero. And you know what's fucked up? She get up and still talk shit to the old man. Somebody punch me like that, may I stay down and may I shut the fuck up and find the back of the bus. May I go sit down at the back of the bus. Now Rosa Parks this shit. Damn bitch. Ladies, do not go around thinking that because you wear a panty, you are immune to upper chops. Have respect for your elders, alright? Or else you will get Aroo-Kened. But a bitch, I smack a bitch. I smacks a bitch. Say whatever the fuck you want. In my opinion, the situation could have been handled a bit better. But if you can't hear, you must feel. Aroo-Kened! subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, idiot. Yes, man.